Hi, my name is Sean. I live in Sarasota. I just turned 60 in May. When we moved to the water, we decided to buy a boat, so I've been doing boating. Besides that, I started flying and I got my private pilot's license. Basically, I noticed that my distance vision was not quite where it should be. The frustrating part is that if I wore a corrective lens for, glasses for long distance, then I would have to switch and put readers or put bifocals on. And with the sun beating down and try to get sunglasses on top of that, now you're managing 3 different sets of glasses on a boat or a plane. I got diagnosed a year ago that I was just forming, slight cataracts, which would eventually, and no one predicts how long it takes, would eventually need correction. Yeah, my ophthalmologist recommended the Vivity lens, which would allow me to potentially have good vision, both close and distance, and potentially not have to wear reading glasses. I had my first Vivity lens implant done 6 weeks ago and then followed with the second eye that was 4 weeks ago. Since my surgery, I have not looked at my glasses at all. I'm doing everything that I used to need glasses for, and I'm doing it without. I don't have any issues, both long, intermediate, and close. I spend on an average, 7-8 hours a day looking at screens of various kinds. I think the fact that I don't have to put my glasses on and then take them off and put them on again, it makes a huge difference. Yeah, reading a tablet or a smartphone is very easy, particularly, I don't have to enhance the font size and to grandpa size, and I can read it. I think the most remarkable change that I see is actually related to my flying. I can see the screen, I know where I'm going, rather than have to fumble with glasses or miss the cues when I need to stop and turn around and things of that sort. So the stress level's gone down quite a bit. And the same thing with the boat. I have a small GPS screen on the right, and I have to constantly be looking at it because we have shallow waters here, you run aground. So it helps me a lot to be able to look at that screen without putting readers on and then be safely navigating the waters. I think it's more enjoyable, obviously, my life. My ophthalmologist told me what Vivity lens could do for me, and thus far, I would say that it's done exactly what I thought and I was told it would do. I would highly recommend it.